exhausted, even when you do nothing that's not normal. Your body might be suffering from a lack of iron, chlorophyll, and B vitamins. Moringa Magic restores all of that in one daily dose and brings your natural energy back. If you wake up tired, feel heavy all day, and don't know why, it could be a sign of a silent nutritional deficiency. Your body needs fuel to function. And moringa is one of the most nutrient-rich plants on Earth. Packed with over 90 essential nutrients, it strengthens your immune system, improves digestion, and fights chronic fatigue. Moringa Magic combines moringa with ingredients that enhance vitamin and mineral absorption. The result is more energy, better focus, and real motivation to live. Thousands of people are already feeling the difference in their bodies and minds. Now it's your turn. Click the link below and try Moringa Magic. Take back control of your energy naturally and without harsh stimulants. Because living tired should never be your normal.